This was how we generated a logo with AI and also the mockup. So if you want to join us, you can go to the description section to check for the link to join us. We are over 200 and we are still counting. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more updates. So you go to ChatGPT, you download it from Play Store. Once you download it, you start writing your prompts on it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go to the description section to get any link provided. So you sign up when you open ChatGPT. You continue with Gmail, then you pick your Gmail. So if you have, you continue. If you have ChatGPT before, no problem. Change your date of birth, make sure you are more than 18, then you continue as well. So once you've done that, you now start writing your prompt. You can see what I wrote there. I want you to help me write a prompt. I gave it my name and what I do for my business. I use Amazon and I use my what I do for business. Then it gave me a prompt. I copied the prompt, then I went to Ideogram. Is an AI tool for creating realistic images and logos. Mockup, you continue with downward with Gmail. Pick the Gmail you want to use, continue again, then continue from just create your account from here. Start creating. Don't wait for anything. Then you cancel it from that X sign at the bottom, cancel it from there, then continue or accept. Then you click on that plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, you click on generate. So then you can now start writing whatever you want. So copy what you did from ChatGPT, paste it here. What you copied from ChatGPT, just paste it, then click on generate straight up. Nothing, you are doing nothing here. So just wait for it to generate. You'll be giving 10 credits. So you can see we have created our logo just now within how many seconds. Within how many minutes, something you would have been charging for how much. So now let us create the mock-up. So just slide in to continue from where you stop. Just slide to the left. You see what you were doing. So I want you to help me create a realistic mock-up. So in case you go to ChatGPT and create a new chart, that's why I slided to the left. So I wrote my prompt, but I didn't tell it to help me generate. So it gave me two prompts. So I wanted it to merge the two of them together. So I will also tell it. So what you type for ChatGPT is what it's going to give you. So you have to prompt it very well. So you can see it says a folded t-shirt. I don't want a folded t-shirt. I want somebody that is wearing it, a realistic person wearing the t-shirt. So I had to prompt it again so that it will merge. Now this is the final prompt it gave me. So you copy it again, go to ideogram, then click on the plus sign the same way we did it. If you know you are getting value from this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You click on generate. Once you click on generate, you also put it there. But this time around, we are going to do one settings, just one setting. You go down where you have aspect ratio, just click on that downward button. Then you click 4:3. You can also slide it from there. You can see the way it looks, the way it's going to look. That's the aspect ratio. Then click on generate. So this is you wait for it to generate and just wait. You see a beautiful design just now. You can see boom. This is what we have straight. And I made a mistake here. I didn't put the name of the logo. That's why it's not showing Amazon. Where I was copying, I didn't copy it right. So you can download it, then send it to the general group or discussion group where we are going to evaluate everything you do. And appreciation to those that have been doing theirs, appreciation to everyone doing an amazing job on that discussion group. You can also join us. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Then this was when I added the name.